Hello friends, welcome to our channel IT India. This video is related to TCS Elevate Wing 1 Digital Capability Assessment Preparation. In this video, we will discuss very important topic, that is work and time. And this is going to be part 6 for numerical ability section. And we will try our best to make every question that we will discuss in this video to make as much easy as possible. So let us start with our first question. A and B can do a piece of work in 25 days. B alone can do 66 volt 2 by 3% of the same work in 30 days. In how many days can A alone do 4 by 15 part of the same work? So these are your options. So first of all, A plus B can do the work in 25 days. Now B can do the work in 30 days. But one thing that you should note here, that A and B are doing the complete work, but B is doing just 66 volt 2 by 3% of the work, that is 200 by 3. So for making it 100%, multiply by 3 by 2. So it will become 100%. And same thing you have to do here. And it will become 45 days. So B can do the same work in 45 days. So now we have to find the efficiency of A plus B and B and A. So for that, take the LCM of 25 and 45. And by taking the LCM, we can calculate the total unit of work. So for taking the LCM, break down 25 as 5 into 5 and 45 as 9 into 5. So 5 will be common here. So LCM will be 5 into 5 into 9. So this is the total unit of work. That is 5 into 5 into 9. So efficiency of A plus B will be 9 unit, because total work is this much and they can do the total work in 25 days. So just divide this total work TW by this. You will get 9. And efficiency of B will be total work divided by 45. Divided by 45, it means 5. So efficiency of A plus B is 9 unit per day. Efficiency of B is 5 unit per day. So efficiency of A will be 4 unit per day. So in how many days A alone can do the 4 by 15 part of the same work? So for that, just divide the total work by efficiency and you will get 15 as your answer. So option B will be correct. A can do 20% of a work in 4 days. B can do 33 whole 1 by 3% of the same work in 10 days. They work together for 9 days. C completed the remaining work in 6 days. B and C together will complete 75% of the same work in how many days? A can do 20% of a work in 4 days. That is, so 1 day's work will be 5%. So now let us convert it into fraction instead of percentage, and it will come out as 1 by 20. So similarly, for B, 33 into 3 is equal to 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. 100 by 3 into 1 by 10, as we are calculating 1 day's work and it is for 10 days. So it will come out as 3 into 10 is equal to 1 by 30. So this is A's 1 day's work, this is B's 1 day's work. So we can say that A will take 20 days to complete this work and B will take 30 days to complete this work. So now, to calculate the efficiency of A and B, take the LCM of 20 and 30, which will come out as 60. So efficiency of A will be 60 divided by 20, it will come out as 3, and efficiency of B will be 2. 60 divided by 30, because this is total work TW and this is the number of days that they take. So A can do 3 unit of work per day and B can do 2 unit of work per day. So efficiency of A and B will be 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and they have worked for 9 days. So in 9 days they will do 45 unit of work, but total work is 60 unit and they have done just 45 units. So 15 unit of work is remaining, and that work has been completed by C in just 6 days. It is given here in 6 days. So C's 1 day's work will be 15 by 6. So efficiency of C will be 2.5. In how many days 75% of the same work B and C will complete together. So 75% of total work, that is 75% of 60 unit, will be 45 units. And efficiency of B is 2 units and efficiency of C is 2.5 units. So it will become 45 divided by 4.5. So your final answer will come as 10 days. So option C is correct. Now A can do a work in 12 days and B can do the same work in 16 days. If they work on it for 4 days, then the fraction of the work that is left is, so A can do in 12 days, B can do the same work in 16 days. So like other questions, to calculate the efficiency, first of all we will calculate the LCM, that is total work. So total work is 48 units, efficiency will be 48 divided by 12, that is 4, and efficiency for B will be 3. So efficiency of A and B will become 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and they have worked for 4 days. So they will complete 28 units of work in 4 days, and total work was 48 units. So just subtract 28 and 20 units will remain. So fraction of work that is left, so 20 units are left and total work was 48. So it will come as 10 divided by 24, 5 by 12. This will be your final answer, and in options it is your final answer. If B is 4 by 3 times as efficient as A, if A can complete 5 by 8 of a given task in 15 days, what fraction of same task would remain incomplete if B worked on it independently for 10 days only? So A is doing 5 by 8 of the given task in 15 days. So 15 days is equal to 5 by 8 of the task. So 10 days work of A will be 5 by 8 divided by 15 into 10. So this will be A's 10 days work, and B is 4 by 3 times as efficient as A. So this is A's 10 days work, and for calculating B's 10 days work, just multiply it by 4 by 3. So 4 2 times is equal to 8, 5 3 times is equal to 15, 2 5 times. So here will be 5 divided by 9, and we have to calculate percentage. So for that we have to multiply it by 100. So for calculating your final answer, just divide 500 by 9, and 9 5 times is equal to 45, and here will be 5 and 50 once again, and 4 multiplied by 5 once again, and it will be 45, and put decimal here and it will become as 50 and 5. So your final answer will be 55.55%. So this is very basic, but this is the concept that you have to use here, that A's 10 days work. We were given A's 15 days work. First of all, convert that into 10 days work, and after that multiply by the efficiency, and that will give you B's 10 days work. So this was all in this question. Now A and B can do a work together in 18 days. A is 3 times as efficient as B. In how many days can B alone complete the network? So A and B are taking 18 days to complete the work, and A is 3 times as efficient as B. So let efficiency of B is 1, then efficiency of A will be 3. So efficiency of A plus B will be 4, and they have done the work in 18 days. So total work we can say is 72 units. Now in how many days can B alone do the complete work? So total units of work is 72, and efficiency of A is 1 unit per day. So it will be completed in 72 days. So option C is correct. So this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video, and please do subscribe this channel, IT India.